Cleaning your Ninja Foodi digital air fry oven after every use is just as easy as cooking in it. First, remove the baking pan and air fry basket. Both of these are dishwasher safe. The baking pan is ceramic coated and non-stick for quick and easy hand washing. Next, remove the wire rack and crumb tray. Empty the contents and hand wash. If scrubbing is necessary, use a non-abrasive sponge. To remove stuck-on food residue, soak in warm, soapy water before hand washing. To clean the outside of your oven and control panel, make sure your unit is unplugged, then wipe it clean with a damp cloth. To clean the inside of the main unit, use the side handles to flip it up. Release the latch to open the back panel. Then use a sponge with mild soap to wipe it clean. For more information and recipes, visit ninjakitchen.com.